the Honorable Minister of Communications, Innovation and Digital Economy, Dr. Boson Tijani, Head of Agencies from the Ministry of Communications, Innovation and Digital Economy, other Head of Agencies here present, representative of service chiefs, CEOs of private organizations, members of the Diplomatic Corps, gentlemen of the press, our distinguished guest delegates, good morning all. It is a profound honor for me to stand here before you this morning to welcome you all to the Digital Nigeria International Conference and Exhibition, DNICE 2025. I want to begin by extending our deep and greatest appreciation to His Excellency, the Vice President, Federal Republic of Nigeria. Your Excellency, sir, your presence here is not just ceremonial. It is a powerful demonstration that this administration cares about our youth. You always been championing youth cause, and you always listen to the youth, you engage with them, and you always enable them. Your Excellency, sir, your leadership style is inspirational, and it is deeply rooted in the accelerating growth, inclusion, and what is the last one? Accelerating growth, inclusion, and I can't remember. Who can remember the last part of it? So don't tell me we all can't remember the theme. Okay. So it resonates with the theme. And today, or every year, we gather for this conference. We are pausing our busy schedule to be here in Abuja for 3 days. Why are we doing this? Is it just to network and see the latest technology gadgets? No. For us, it is because Nigeria is at the critical crossroads. We are a nation of over 220 million people. And the average age is 18 years. So this can be our greatest dividend or our most urgent disaster. If we harness it well, if we harness the energy, the creative and talent of our youth, we are not just going to power Nigeria, but we can power the entire Africa into new era of prosperity. But if we fail to do that, if we fail to skill our youth, if we fail to provide a platform for them to create value, we are squandering the most valuable and precious asset we have as a nation. To use that to solve our national challenges. This year, in the next 3 days, you will hear many statistics. You will learn many new technology trends and how we can shape our worlds. You will engage in high-level dialogues from the main stage to the alpha stage. But for me, the big takeaway from this is we should all go and engage with one thought that guide our panels, our every handshake we are going to have at this conference, and every deal you will make in this conference. The message is Nigeria, we can do it, and we are going to do it. This year's conference, we have more than 4,800 people attending from 12 countries and from 25 states across Nigeria. That means the conference is national and international as well. The idea is to cross-pollinate between our technology and innovation ecosystem from states and with the international global ecosystem. Our youth don't have to move to Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt for them to succeed. 2 expert master classes. And all this is curated around 5 tracks. How can we build connectivity to connect the unconnected to make sure every Nigerian is part of this digital economy we are building? The second track is about building our digital public infrastructure as well as trust. How can we build trust for our citizens to use technology? How can we use technology to build trust between government and citizens? How can government leverage technology to engage citizens and deliver quality services to our citizens? We also have a track on artificial intelligence and emerging technologies. How can we harness the power of artificial intelligence to help every Nigerian achieve 3-5x leap in productivity and efficiency in whatever you do? We also have a track on digital trade and innovation, because it is not just about us building technology. It is about us using our greatest resource to harness and grow our economy. How can we encourage our startups to build not just for Nigeria, but for Africa and for the world? And we're also going to have a track on digital skills and literacy. How can we build the digital fluency of our citizens to make sure every Nigerian is digitally visible, every Nigerian is part of this digital economy? And how can we build skills for our citizens to make sure we build our digital offerings in country, as well as to get our citizens to contribute to the global ecosystem? So this is all what we are going to be discussing at the conference. And the government is doing a lot. I'm not going to tell you what the government is doing. The Honorable Minister will be on the stage to share with you what we are doing at the ministry. And the Vice President will tell us the bigger vision for driving the economy using technology. Doing this will help us to build a sustainable growth through innovation in Nigeria. So my advice to all of you, especially the innovators and startups, don't leave this conference without making all the meetings you need to grow your startups. For the investors, don't leave without meeting your next unicorns. For the government officials, don't leave this place without getting an idea about how you can come up with the next policy, the next regulation that will help us to use technology to catalyze growth and drive national inclusivity, prosperity among our citizens. Thank you for listening. May God bless you, and may God bless Nigeria.